Motel nyakor mgajuan kalure koda luoro mar ji ariyo mabende likre nowito ngimagi e masira mar orofa apago chiel e gwenge mag South Sea mabende noruombore piny. Sani nitiere midusa maloso kotende kod masira makamano wawinjarna.
To clear the roads that were blocked by the debris. And at the moment, so far, we are yet to arrive to those suspected lives. So altogether, we don't have any details right now, but we are on the move to make sure that we arrive to where the bodies are, or maybe where the casualties are. At least we can rescue or maybe remove. Otherwise, we are yet to give details as we are working hard to see what more we can achieve, because our goals and our goal is to achieve by rescuing those lives. And at the moment, we also want to clear the roads that are blocked by the debris. So the lorries and the excavators on the ground, we are removing those debris, and as in the process, we are aiming at reaching to the lives that are trapped there. And eventually we shall give more updates as we continue. Thank you very much.
When do we probably expect to reach any person down there?
As from the previous experience, the capacity of the machinery we are having, we have enough, because we are having more than 3, and we have lorries on the ground from the city council. They are carrying the debris. So it will depend with whatever quantity of the debris that is blocking the road.
How many agencies are leading?
We have right now we have 9 agencies, yes, on the ground. We have the National Police Service on the ground. We have the NDMU, Red Cross. We have the Nairobi City Council, Fire. We have the Battalion, Defense, Quick Response. We have the Red Cross. We have the St. John Ambulance. We have the City Council. And then we also have volunteer agencies that are also on the ground. They're helping us.
There's a growing feeling that perhaps this process is taking too long, and perhaps if somebody is safe in there, if it takes longer, perhaps we will lose lives.
We are doing our best. We are doing our best, because as you see, the machineries are very, very active on the ground, doing whatever.
What's the extent of damage on the adjacent building?
The adjacent building, we haven't known the extent of damage, because we can see from the first floor, the pillars are knocked. But on the ground and maybe on the ground floor, we don't know, because the debris are covering the place. So we are yet to remove them and see the kind of damage that is caused on the adjacent building. Otherwise, it is still stable. You are yet to establish that, because we have engineers on the ground. Once we remove, then they will establish.
At this stage, has the National Construction Authority tried to verify the ownership of the building?
Yes, they are on the ground. They are doing that. And with the in due course, we shall have to reveal where they are.
There are concerns that perhaps buildings around this area are not safe, are not safely built. Is there action which has been taken even in the interim?
After verification of these other buildings, then you can see how these other buildings can also be verified.
Excuse me, sir. Was the building approved by NCA and NEMA?
I think so.
Yes.
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
Preliminary assessment of the damage.
Can I have one question at a time?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yes.
From the preliminary assessment of the damage, what may be lead cause of the collapse?
The lead cause, that one I cannot answer now, because the engineers are the ones now to tell us whatever may be caused with the weakness of the building that caused that. But you are yet to establish that. Then I will have to keep the report.
Sir, just a question. There are other buildings that are occupied around where this building collapsed. Are you thinking that you might evacuate the others, because now you're suspecting the other buildings have also been knocked?
We have advised the neighborhood at least to evacuate the buildings, so that now we can finish with the work and see whether the other building that is affected is safe for the neighborhood. Yes. Yeah, we have taken those precautions, and we are very proactive to make sure that we save more lives than maybe be reactive to rescue. Yes.
How soon should Kenyans expect an update?
That one, it will depend with the work, with the capacity of the work. Yes.
Who is to blame for this?
Not yet established. Yeah.
Excuse me,
Yes.
We expected that we have a big crane here just to be removing those slabs, which is not happening, so that we can at least save those lives down there.
The machinery we have, they're enough to do whatever is happening. And you see already we have taken a step ahead. Thank you.
So we can be
Let me ask, you saying this building is shaking. Are you bringing it down? And second to that, is the owner of this same building that has collapsed the same as the one that is shaking?
They are different owners. They are different owners. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, thank you. More update later on. God bless you.
Babu, hali ni hiyo.